Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new here for the first time, my name is Soumya and I really hope you're doing good. If you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing as your support means a lot to me and to my channel. As you might have already guessed from the video title and from its thumbnail that this video is going to be my huge collection of Bath and Body Works products. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll drop the link in the description box below. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with the brand. It is quite famous for their body care range and candles. And Bath and Body Works offers a wide range of collections in each segment. What most attracts me towards that brand is first its quality, second its wide range of collection, and third their packaging. They design their packaging in such a way that you instantly fall in love with them. I'm also kind of attracted towards their name as they beautifully complement the packaging and the fragrance. My first ever purchase was their signature collection, that is Japanese Cherry Blossom body cream and body wash, and once I started using that, there was no going back to other brands. Talking about the price, I know they are a bit pricey, so I normally purchase during sales so that I can save some money. Before it was launched in India, I used to source it from outside, and of course sourcing from outside came with its own challenges, but I somehow used to manage, and I started stocking up so that I don't have to bother other people to get stuffs for me every now and then. So that's how I started stocking up things there. And since now they have launched their physical and online stores in India, the problem is kind of solved. Of course, I need to still discover a lot of their ranges. I just have few body creams, shower gels, shower creams, candles, and hand sanitizer and scrub. Today I'm gonna share my body cream collections. I will do a separate video for shower gel, shower creams and candles, because I don't want this video to be too long and I don't want you people to get bored of this lengthy video. I just thought that would be the better way to do it. And also I thought some people might not be interested in body cream segment, or some people might not be interested in body wash segment. So I thought if I break it into two parts, it would be easier for you to choose and decide which one you want to watch. Hope you find this video helpful. Do comment down below which is your favorite body cream product from Bath and Body Works. I would really love to know about that, and if I have not tried, I would really love to try them too. So without doing any further delay, so let's just get started. So this is a box full of creams I have. This is what I'm going to share it with you today. So grab a cup of coffee or tea or some snacks if you like to, and enjoy the video. So the first product I see here is this one. It is called In the Stars. It has a blend of star flower and sugar and musk. It is also infused with shea and cacao butter, which helps moisture your skin, and it has a mild sweet fragrance to it. If you are inclined, or if you are a person who likes sweet scent creams, then I would definitely recommend this. So moving on to the next one, I have this one called Black Cherry Merlot. It has a blend of dark cherry and black raspberry with some essential oils. This is from their winter collection range. It is also infused with cacao and shea butter and aloe vera. So moving on to the next one I have here is a sparkling Limoncello body cream. Some words are really difficult to pronounce. I hope I'm pronouncing them right. If not, please ignore me. And this is the packaging. It has a blend of lemon, mint, orange blossom, Italian cedar wood. This is a quite heavily scented cream, but nothing like it hits your head. It is more of a citrusy, fruity, fragranted cream, and The moment you apply it, of course you feel it very strong, but if you allow some time, once it settles down with your body heat, it kind of cools down, and the fragrance also deteriorates and you smell beautiful. So moving on, I have here is called Cactus Blossom. Look at the packaging. It has a blend of coconut and vanilla. Also it has cactus petals, which makes the fragrance more like florally, a beautifully fragranted body cream. I would highly recommend if you want to try something different apart from what you have been already trying. So I just want to mention a point here. Most of their body creams have cocoa and shea butter as their ingredient, as one of their main ingredient, apart from some of the basic ingredients, as they are kind of moistures and keeps your skin moisture for a longer duration. So moving on to the next one I have here is called Hello Beautiful. This is the packaging. I simply love the packaging, the combination, everything. This is a blend of jasmine petals, musk, white gardenia, and magnolia blossom. This is more of like a mix of floral scent, very mild one. I won't say it is very strong, quite a good one if you want to try something different again. The next one I have is called Tahiti Island Dream. It has a blend of fresh coconut water, kiwi, vanilla, and it has a mild floral scent, and the packaging also looks stunning as usual. The next one I have here is the brown sugar and fig, and this is how it looks. It has coconut milk, brown sugar, and musk. It is more like a mild, nutty, fragranted cream. So this is the packaging. The next one I have here is called On the Waves. It has a blend of blue waters, water lily, and ocean driftwood. The fragrance actually reminds you of some of your beachy holidays, so this smells exactly like that. So do give it a try if you like the smell of those beaches and things like that. The next one I have here is called Butterfly Flower. It is more of a fruity, flowery, fragranted one, as it has coconut milk and lilacs and white orchids. And the next one I have here is called A Thousand Wishes. It has a blend of pink prosecco and crystal peonies. It's more of a sweety, fragranted cream. I remember earlier they had a different packaging, and now I think they have changed the packaging. The last three products I have here are from the aromatherapy range, and I prefer using them before my bedtime, as it kind of calms and soothes your mind. So the first one I have here is called Stress Relief. It has a blend of sage and cedar wood. They also have different combinations, like instead of sage they might have vanilla and cedar wood. So this is my liking, so I picked up sage and cedar wood. And if you have not tried aromatherapy range, I would highly recommend you to try their ranges. They all are simply amazing. The next one I have here is called Sleep. It is a blend of lavender and cedar wood. So this is how the packaging is. This particular segment or category also has different combinations, like vanilla and cedar wood, or the last one is called Comfort, and it has a blend of vanilla and patchouli. I think I have spelled it right. So this brings us to the end of this video, and I'm going to share my top 3 favorites from this collection of my body cream. The first one is called Aromatherapy Sleep. This is the second one, called On the Waves, and the third one is Cactus Blossom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing, as your support means a lot to me and to my channel. See you all soon in my next video. So watch out this space for that. And yeah, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye.